Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be talking about account takeover vulnerability that we find out on one of our client and how we were able to misuse a small misconfiguration and gain the access of organization owner's account. And yes, so let's dive into that and let's see what exactly this vulnerability is all about. So once an email, when an admin account or a user that has an ability to update any user email does that, and the system or the server identify or treats the email, that the new email, as an authenticated email and send subsequent email either for verification and password reset to the new email before even verifying it, or before the verification has been completed, or even after the verification has been completed but no confirmation has been made on the original owner accounts, or no alert has been sent on the original owner account. And in those kind of scenario, it is very likely that this account takeover is possible, and any user that has ability to update the username, user email, would be able to take over the account. To detect this sort of vulnerability, you have to understand the flow of email update feature itself, and when the user has been updating the email address, and look for the any email address that any notification or any confirmation that is being sent, where it has been sent on. If all of the email has been sent to the new one instead of the older one, and the older one does not have any verifications or any confirmation email in itself, then this vulnerability could be misused, or an account takeover could be attempted. Yeah, we can test on sending a password reset for that particular user and see where the reset thing goes, either to new email or the older one, and that is how we will be able to identify this particular flow. Let's see how we were able to misuse the misconfiguration and exploit it. We had an account called sales, and it has an admin role attached to it, and the email was attacker control. So in this case, let's call it an A account, and this is the owner, that is 𝐵@securifyai.co. that is our victim account. And once we confirm that, we were also confirmed that we were able to, the user sales is able to change the email of any account, including the owner, to any email address it want to. We were not able to change the roles as the account being the owner, but we were able to change the email. And you can see the email, we were able to send the confirmation email successfully for the A's account. Now, as the B account has been informed in some sort of way, this the misconfiguration or the exploit won't be possible successfully. But in this case, there was no confirmation or anything sent to the B account. We can see the apps account, that is our attacker control account, got the verification email, and this is how we were able to confirm or verify the newly appointed email address to our victim account. And once that has been done, now from here we would be using the existing flow of the web application to send and reset email password to our controlled email address, or the attacker controlled email address. And you can see we were able to get the reset link for the B's account, that was our victim, and also for our original account. When using this link and resetting the password, we were successfully able to take over the B's account, that was the owner. You can see now we are the organization admin, and we can transfer the ownership to any account that we want. So this is how we were able to exploit this misconfiguration. And yes, this could be a great example of how a small misconfiguration, if not treated correctly, could lead to a bigger issue in the future. Talking about the mitigation, the simple tricks for this would be notifying both the older and newer email, and like one verification email sent to the newer email address, and the change of notification email to the older one. And we would also recommend putting MFA or reauthentication in some such critical areas like change email address, password, or transfer of ownership of some sort. or even preventing the non-owner user to modify any critical users in itself, like owner accounts or any critical backend accounts. And yes, so that was all for the video. Thanks for joining and have a nice day, guys.